I like my mirrors like I like my women, covered in bugs.
What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day, great morning, great evening, great afternoon, whatever time it is you're watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, we are spraying some Febreze. Just kidding. Alright, so today, we are about to go to the gym first, but after the gym, we're going to go to Napa, pick up some washers, because as you can tell by the title of the video, we're about to level these tow mirrors. And if you, or a friend, or anybody you know, has unleveled tow mirrors, tell them to fix it. Tell them to fix it right now. Okay? Tell them to click on this video, comment down below, and fix them with me. Alright, so we're going to go grab some washers at Napa, right after the gym. So, I'll catch you as soon as I get back from the gym. Dag flabbit, stop! Shoot! Tell me this ain't satisfying. Boom. So, to go to the gym, you're going to need a little bit of that and a little bit of this right here. Okay, so right now we got some cocaine, pure grade A, grade C, cocaine. Then you're just going to take a little swallow of your drink. I'll let the sink have a little sip. And you're just going to take a little scoop of that right there. We're running low here, folks. And you're just going to smack her on in there. Don't matter how messy you are, because, I mean, it really doesn't. Take a nice little gulp. Ah. Oh my word. Oh. Alright, so we're back from the gym, obviously. And we're about to go Napa right now. So, let's not crash on the way over there, please. What's up, ham fam? We got the washers. We got the washers. So, I'm about to go find a parking spot to go do this at, and we are about to jump right into it, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna do it. Don't worry.
Okay, now you're seeing what I see. Hopefully you can hear me well. Had to go over here and yeah, go to a secluded spot. Hopefully you can hear me. Ooh, baby, look at that. I like my mirrors like I like my women, covered in bugs. But no, all right, so let's get to it. So right here you can access the these bolts right here. So there's a cover right here. You're gonna take this off, you're gonna pry it from back to front, and then we're gonna take these bolts off right here. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna stick these 6mm washers slap on in there. Maybe we can do it this way. Okay. So it's front to back, not back to front. My apologies. Then there's these 4 bolt slash screws that you can access. Hopefully I can access it. Yeah, I should be able to. So we're gonna fold the mirror in like that. We're gonna swap her on over to the Phillips head. We're just gonna take these top ones out. Oh, them suckers tight. Them son biscuits tight, boy. Let me tell you. Boy, them things tight. I'm gonna have to bring in the reinforcements. Okay, now that we got our 10mm out. 10mm. I'll take the top one off again. And then you have to loosen the bottom ones as well. But don't let it rest on the bottom too much, because it could possibly break it. We're going to rip these washers out. 2 for each bolt. Freaking Jiminy. Oh, there she is. Thank God for eyes. Literally, I thank you, God, for eyes. Okay, now we can do a little something like that. What the hell is that? Oh, stop wind. Jeez. Now, ever so slightly. I literally bought more just in case. Oh, that happened right there. You're gonna ever so slightly push them back in there. just like so. And we're gonna just start this one a little bit, not all the way. Oh shit, just dropped one. Well, that is lovely, mate. That is freaking fabulous. Okay, lost cause, dropped it. Screw me sideways. And then you're just gonna tighten them down, folks. Okay, even with missing a bolt or a nut, I don't know how well you can tell, but that looks a lot better than that. So either way, not too bad. Having to is just a little sense of reassurance, so it's all right. Then what you're gonna want to do is just put this cover on. Hey, that dude had no hood, bro. Yeah, brother, no hood gang. All right, and then what you're gonna do is just gonna put this cover on the exact way you found it. You're gonna put that on the back first. Put that right there. Oh, good. There you go. Now, boom, just like that. Just like that, folks. Fight them bugs off, bro. That looks 10 times better. Now, I'm not gonna bother you with doing the other side. I'm just gonna tell you to repeat the same process, because that's exactly all you're gonna do, essentially. And I'm gonna get with you soon as we get finished. And I'll get you a little roller video. Or not roller, but I get you a little something. No, I get you a little something. You know what I'm saying? I'll be back in 1 second for you, literally.
Alright, my friends, that is how you do a tomato levelization installation. Nope, but on a serious note, didn't turn out too bad. I feel personally that the passenger side isn't as level as the driver's side, but oh, never mind. Wait, hold on. I think it's just yeah, it definitely is. But look at that, not too shabby, huh? That side took way shorter, obviously, because I already did this side. But if you or anyone you know has tow mirrors that are freaking sticking out and looking all out of whack, please, for the love of God himself, for the love of Duramaxes, for the love of tow mirrors, comment down below, send them this link to the video, tell them to watch my video. Thank you all for the love and support. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment at the end. It means a lot to me. Be sure to spread the word. Love you all so much. Peace out.